Hey guys, welcome back to Salvagemasterv channel for another episode of Lexus Rebuild. In today's episode, we're gonna take the whole front end apart again. We're gonna grind it out, weld it, and grind it again. Alright, let's start working. Alright, I took all the parts off. Now let's take this core support out and weld this frame section and this side, and then we can put the core support back and weld it also. Alright, I took the core support out. Now I can sand it so I can weld it. Okay, I sand off the paint from this rail. Let's weld it. I'm done welding this frame section. Let's get to this side and weld this piece in. All the frame pieces welded in. Now what I have to do is take the grinder, sand out these spots where the core support gonna be connecting for welding, and also I need to grind off this weld spot so the core support will be on my way. I won't be able to do that afterwards, so I have to do it right now. And after that we can put the core support back and make adjustments and weld that in. Alright, the core support is ready to be installed. I grind off these areas where I'm gonna be welding for better welding. Now, let's install it. Alright, I installed the core support back on and put it back on the self-tapping screws where it was. Now I want to take the measurement tool, check it, make sure all my lines is still good before I weld that in. As you can see, it's right where it needs to be. Nothing has been moved, so now I have a confidence that everything is good and I can weld this core support in. Alright, I finished welding driver's side. Now let's move into the passenger side and do same exact thing. I'm done with welding. Now what I have to do is get a grinder and grind off all those weld spots so it would be flush. Then I would be able to prime it, and after that we'll be able to paint the engine bay. Let's get to grinding.
Afraid won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Alright guys, that's it for this episode. I finished with the welding and grinding. In next episode, we're gonna sand out everything with the sandpaper and prime it. Please like this video, share it, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.